Don't swallow it.
Show him the video.
Here.
Yeah, show him the video.
John's videotaping it. So tell us what?
How are you doing here? Go away.
So what happens when
Whose
you
camera?
swallow this
Whose
stuff?
camera is that?
Why not?
Hey, whose camera? Whose camera is that?
What happens if you swallow it?
Dude, don't whisper. Speak up.
I can't speak up. My voice is so clogged.
Oh, why didn't you say so?
Yeah, he lost his
voice is all clogged.
Mine is too.
That's not what it's from, though.
Why does everyone
Dude,
We should go like
this is weirdly good. Sell it.
It kind of plays like sour plant.
Guys, get a ton of them and then we can put it in our suitcases. Yeah.
No, this tastes like a green apple.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like. Tastes like green apple.
Yeah!
Why do you live in crazy here? I don't like
A
it.
sour green apple.
That's good.
Are you still videotaping?
Yeah, here.
Well, that's what a green apple is. It's sour.
It's good. It's sour. I'm not used to sour stuff that much.
And there's that poisonous thing. He's like, give me a shot. Look at this. Look at this. Look at all these kids.
Oh my gosh, there's more cucumbers.
Hey, check out the cucumbers.
Oh, they still look really good.
Hey, wait, those are right near these.
What's wrong? It's gonna contaminate it.
Oh my god, these are
Wait, the poisonous things are right next to the sour grass.
I should spit it out in there and see what that could pick sour it up. grass? Oh yeah, it's the sour grass.
Oh,
Or have I spit all over it?
It's not bad.
Colton, pick it up.
Swallow it, you're okay.
I don't know. Yeah, Colton, tell us what happened to you.
You swallowed, I swallowed like 10 of these things in a row, and then this guy came by and said that if you swallow it, you get diarrhea for a week. And we asked all these people, and they kept on saying not to swallow it. and then now I'm really scared because I don't want diarrhea. But then you'll lose all your fat. You'll lose all your fat if you have any. Either that or you lose all your muscle.
Yeah, it's bad.
That's awesome. I'm going.
I'm leaving. Okay,
I can't wait.
Don't bring that money, stupid.
It's like a
Don't bring that money. Don't walk around camp with them. Huh?
Oh my god, did you try to look at the flowers?
What? Are they good? Hey, give me one with the flower.
Wait.
I want one with the flower. I want one with the flower.
What the heck,
Like, I want one with the flower. I was like, I want a flower. I want one.
No.
No. I can't eat it?
No, you cannot eat it.
Those lemonade things?
Okay. They're getting in trouble. We're not though, because we ran away.
We're not eating them.
What if these things like get too high?
Yeah, because Colton seems really high and so do you.
Yeah, and so is Tracy.
Did you see me? That was weird. I've never done that before. I was like jumping. Like that. Like
Okay, let's show the campus. Okay, what's Tyler doing? Is he like peeing or something? Yeah, he's peeing against the wall. Take Tyler! What number? 1 or 2? It pees out of your finger.
He accidentally ate
He
one.
swallowed one?
Yeah.
Did you swallow one of those green stems? Did you? Okay, good.
Why? Remember? Peace.